Hi guys, tonight we have here Opel Cascada Cabrio, 1.6 liter turbo engine, 170 horsepower. The car came in just for a check for the tire pressure sensors, to read all the errors and to check what could be the problem. We will check it and then we will tell you what's the problem or if there is any, and it's not just electronical fault code. So we are back and there are no fault codes. As you see, in BCM body control module there's no fault. There was some lost communication and problem with the tires, but now as you see it's totally fault free. And also the PACM module, parking assistant module, there was a problem and it was written there was a shortcut, but after resetting everything and clearing the error codes, everything is okay. If you have such a problems, you always need to clear the ECUs with a higher diagnostic tool. But also the second thing is sometimes it will really help to disconnect the battery for about a half hour, then connect it and charge the car's battery. It's relatively common on Opel, Vauxhalls and Holdens and whole the GM company. Or if you have any questions or want to do the same ECU job like this to clear it or code and so on, then contact us, we can help you. And in case of any questions, you can also write us through YouTube or Instagram and so on. Have a nice day. Peace.